NuCedar shingles are the only synthetic shingle in the market that can be heat bent and used for flare type applications. It gives a nice feature to your home. You may want to pre-drill your shingles before installing and make sure you have fill and flex handy. For your starter course, it can be done the same way as you would at the bottom of your home. Your shingles are already flexible, however, you may want to add heat to give it the desired curve that you need for your flare. You can use heat tape or heat gun to warm up your shingle. Do not put the heat gun on the shingle. It could burn and leave marks. For an aggressive flare, you may want to use a heat blanket. Once you're to your softening point, add fill and flex to the back of the shingle and install the same as you would against the wall. Once the material cools, it will harden into place. For the last course, if it's easier, you can use a razor blade to cut the length and snap off the ends. For aesthetics, nail in a straight line, you can use your touch-up paint to cover the nail heads and give it the desired look.